Hi, Oakview friends. This week the challenge is the cups song. We're going to do the little cup game that goes with it. Here's what it looks like kind of in a regular speed. Alright, there are 4 little parts to this, and we're going to learn them one at a time, and then we'll chunk them together into bigger parts until we know the whole thing. First part, 4 beats. It goes clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Do, 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 day, do. All right, I'll go super slow. Do, 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 day, do. Practice that. Pause the video, practice it until you're feeling really confident. Real even, real smooth. The next 4 beats goes clap, up, down. Think of this being a half note. Clap, up, down. Clap, up, down. Pause if you need to. Get good at that for 4 beats. And then when you're feeling confident, let's chunk those 2 groups together. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. I forgot to tell you about my cup. I just grabbed a blue plastic cup out of the drawer. If you try a disposable cup, chances are you're going to crush it sooner or later. Maybe you want to try a plastic one. Don't use glass. Just don't go there. Don't do it. You want just a plastic cup. All right? Those first 2 groups again. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Pause the video. Practice that until you're feeling pretty confident with it. This next 4 beats is where people tend to lose their minds. All right? Clap, grab. When I grabbed that cup, I grabbed it with my index finger down and my pinky up. Clap, grab, pop, drop. Notice how now the cup is facing right side up. Clap, grab, pinky up in the air, pop, drop. Clap, grab, pop, drop. It's only tricky the first 50 times. Clap, grab, pop, drop. Clap, grab, pop, drop. Pause the video. Practice till you feel confident. Then we're going to put those first 3 groups together. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, grab, pop, drop. Last 4 coming up. From that drop, I'm still holding on to the cup. I'm going to switch it to the other hand. Slap. Pass over the top. Switch. That empty hand now, slap, passing over that hand. So from here, switch, slap, pass. So if you do the last half, clap, grab, pop, drop, switch, slap, pass. Okay? Clap, grab, pop, drop, switch, slap, pass. You're going to want to pause the video. You're going to want to practice that. I don't know. You might get frustrated and come back tomorrow and try it again. Clap, grab, pop, drop, switch, slap, pass. That's the second half. And then when you're feeling confident, put it all together. I learned it with words, so it's easier for me if I really think those words. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, grab, pop, drop, switch, slap, pass. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, up, down. Clap, grab, pop, drop, switch, slap, pass. All right, when you're feeling confident, maybe you sing the cup song with it. Maybe you play the cup song from a YouTube video. Maybe you have somebody else in the house that knows the song and can sing it while you're trying the cup song. I'll try to sing and cup song. Some days I'm good at it. Some days I crash and burn. Let's see how I do. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of Pepsi for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? today was kind of a good day. I'm able to do it. People with a ukulele, you could do a ukulele play along with this song. I will link it in my blog for you. Cup song, have fun. I taught this to my 5th grader. She has been driving her older sisters crazy. Actually, both of my younger daughters have been driving the oldest sister crazy with this cups game. Anytime they set the table, they have to do a quick round of. Don't annoy your family too much, but have fun with the cup song. Have a great day. Keep singing, keep making music.